In today's modern age, every business requires advanced and innovative software. To meet this need, MD Infotech introduced the new Outlook Fish point of sale software. Our software features a modern login interface designed to simplify operations for business and sales personnel. Once logged in, you get a modern dashboard that provides all the necessary information to simplify your daily activities. Another convenience in your daily routine is how you can effortlessly sell fish through the POS system based on customer needs. The sales inventory easily provides all your information, such as paid and pending bills, in Excel documents and PDF formats. You can easily save all customer information in the New Customer section. You will get all customer information through Customer List. You can also go to the New Purchase option and retain all the information including the name of the supplier. In Purchase List you can easily view all supplier information, where all cost will be available through Excel or PDF. You can save all the information of the supplier, where you can easily get the information of the supplier. You will get all the supplier's history very easily and also download all the information together in Excel sheet or PDF. You can easily add your products in New Items option. You will get all the information in the item list, where you can easily edit the product of your choice with active or inactive. You can easily set aside a portion of your daily expenses in the New Expense option. You can easily find a list of all your daily expenses in the Expense List, where you can know about every expense of the month. Also, you can easily get your daily profit and loss data by date, month, and year in Profit and Loss Profit report. You can create a new account with new user information to manage your business. From the user list, you can know who is running your business. Also, to know more details, our software has help option, where you will get all the information about operating our software. We are at your side to simplify all your daily business calculations. For details, visit our website www.op2cash.com. Thank you. For any issues or product customization, feel free to contact us.